social media kaleka we o ma yewu yare oyereba. Is your beze aga kaleka yo stage o ma wu oreba I me in your blow labo.
Hello, my amazing people. My people, wahala dey. Wahala dey. Now here to re-say a pa umenwan egbola dey with mommy Princess Ivie. Hey, don't still set again, my people. Una hear say Princess Ivie say me umenwan use her own kpekus take go do live do pay show. Say she no care o. Say she no give a fuck. If you like, use my kpekus take do live video. I no care. I go still use your gbola take do live video. Imagine the cockability, my people. Hey, who get gbola wey dey ground so make dem carry am o. Make dem call the owner, make come carry am because wetin dey happen for this social media now, e don dey too much, my people. Wetin dey go on? Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Commenters Analyzer. We dey analyze anything analyzable. We dey there, we dey learn. Na so, my people, see tori for inside life. This story whoa. As umenwan take dey call Princess Ivie, you go dey show am gbola, that one go screenshot the gbola. As she dey show umenwan kpekus, umenwan go screenshot the kpekus. Everything, my people. I don hear tori, my ear come dey itch me. I come say lie, no be only me, no be only me wan go listen to this story when dey inside life. I need to carry am. Can't tell my people waiting my ear they hear for inside social media. My people. Hey! But shao, as a social media person, why you no need to free yourself? If you know say you don't date social media, anybody can come say they won't betray this person. They will come a form of relationship, but inside their mind, not be relationship. See umenwan now. See Princess Ivie, he say he get umenwan gbola. Even they show the gbola for here. Just that the gbola we no go fit see am because she dey hide down. They hide down. Jesus. My people, make we listen to tori.
He go pay you rich bone. I said, gonna pay you, gonna sweet me.
Okay.
More chesty way. You said, now you want to tell me. Forget that matter, my darling. Now I put my number for them first. Wait, the first one at the bola. More than go corporate more just come. Because they said do that bola, you know, here test it.
Imagine wetin that they talk. Make dem go call proud Mojis come. Make she come confirm am whether na Frank gbola or not be Frank gbola. Proud Mo no follow them do that yet because I know say you dey vex for Frank or you and Frank. I don't know how una take see una sef. No let them, because when you dey fight that time, none of these people come out come fight for you. Say Frank, you not do am well as you take leave Proud Mom, or Proud Mom as you take leave Frank, you not good. Now because they don't see progress, they call you, may you come confirm am whether na Frank get this gbola or not be Frank get this gbola. Imagine wetin dey happen for this our Edo cyber space. Make they go call Proud Mom come. Which kind nonsense be that one? Now Proud Mom good to confirm am whether na somebody gbola or not be somebody gbola. Which kind of nonsense be that one? If na me be Proud Mom, I will give them wetin they want. Now no say Proud Mom dey. Why you not call Proud Mom since? Hey, social media. Edo cyberspace, not be even social media. Edo cyberspace. Edo influencer saga. Edo the saga influencer people. Make una listen to tori. Make we listen to tori for this life.
So that
Now here now,
testify.
you go first and now give proud more. Make proud more testify when that na Frank Bola be that.
Bias. Becky, where here? What did not buy it? Need test up my way. No, because Yahweh can because here I know what the cupboard of from it talk by for him. Well, I video now. That's your day. Not today. Why guy? A call for many. It be like what? So me I show na first. Screenshots. Baby. I want my glasses out. There of your.
Now wow, Frank wey be small pikin sef even come for you, madam. You know even dey happy. Wetin sef? Wetin be all this old cargo wey dey those cyberspace? Wetin be their problem? Wetin be their problem? Small matter na you carry audio. You and Frank dey carry audio up and down. Small matter when two of una go solve for inside room when nobody. I'm coming, my love. When nobody go hear. Small matter. Now you and Frank carry they waka for everywhere for inside social media. This one say I get audio. This one say I get audio. This one play audio. This one they play audio. This one say I get bola. This one say I get bola. Wetin be una progress sef? Wetin dey sweet una for body? Eh? Hey! My people.
Okay, go come on lately. You jump in me. When Sunday you phone, don't make it easy. When Sunday we go no waro do. Only dey up. Avienne. C'est quoi, ala kemu ina keso ina gaye sheke. Shake your dance, come. Where will you hear it? You know where?
Okay.
He said I don't see anything. Oh yeah, I'm not share them. Mommy, egg. Ima ono ka show woman, they only ka show, they only provoke no make na show woman because he mana show bunny I show woman. Because of what picture here, yeah, edit raw. Also don't be blogger kwa. You we pay show. You ya we pay show. You ya wu. You no. You ya benne kwa wo here na. Ya wa ga ni ya. But ya ga so here me di be wa. Iri ye ke dai mama la egui. Should be disappointed. So, me like a proof. Mama, I don't know what happened when they from Victor we no screenshotted the date. Yeah, I got me after your web passion. And we ask said the voice in the web. No good be me to be me. I will passion. Oh, we in next date. In a ham when I worry. Identical. When I will pass no, we identical. When they return the ticket, I want to go ticket. Where show the ticket in my bone. I will only pay to you, never not make enough for. Nay, arrive. Nay, if I come a time, I tell you sweet things. Imagine that. You got petty way. No make enough a way. But who have way there? Who you were there? No way. I love billion wego. You know, never. I am a preserved woman being. It is a big. Oh no, yes, me. You beg me to do. A carry that dog me. Me and you are waking. But you are money. You give me. Now we're in a relationship. That is why. Why can you flop on not being anime? They can flop on a black bin and we are going for the really fight for me. Your man says a come and say somebody come meet you. Say anytime where they call with you and they call the person because he might trust you, man, you record you well. He might trust you well from the Genesis. But I was always supporting you because nobody was there. He can't be as a boy who won't enter your enemy camp. The woman will not pick a call. What if you went to only a call where they live in you?
I'm coming, my love.
If you the last time I checked, one come on, no sooner that way. Ask me to me. Oh, when me ask they take care. Oh, when we're water, we're to walk back here, come away. So no ya where it must say where begging me in pockets here matter way. Oh, you never to those your woman. And I don't know. Umana those your woman. You go where go, but you come on the tea with piece of be. Yes. God, what should work away? My own don't spoil for this social media. I know say my own don't spoil. yame. You don't body where up on ya book where you can. Oh, where don't carry mark on your matrimonial bed. If you are now. Sometime I tell you where you are.
Hey. Una hear her, she say Frank. Baba wey dey smile, aka the umenwan of social media, be don buy tickets, wan come meet am for house. Hey, I dey share o. How we wan take talk put for this matter, my people? This matter, I get as e be o. Mo go lis ten to umenwan.
Lie against me for back, and I hear I'll call you. I'll hit out to you. For those of you who follow for this live video, don't know how to do my things.
No, they lis ten to Frank. Oh.
I don't care. Yeah, if you're able or find a way to dodge or find a way to dodge, now okay, this is the kind of person who want to. The best thing, let me play alongside with her. So very wise. Not be everybody must make enemies. Sometimes you just need to play alongside. Let me see who this woman, if she go change. That's the reason why I've been following Ivie you. When I go to see, she also obey because she see at the phone Mugu the follow on. Like say I be Dundee. I don't care. So we are not living in the same place. When I was very close to Ivie, I don't go for her.
Oh, sorry, Daddy. Come.
We don't defend each other. When I was living in Germany, see where they live, see where Ivie.
Sorry, eh?
45 minutes to where I was staying to Ivie house.
Come.
When Ivie did her birthday, she invited me to come. I don't go. No, she said, me and we go out. We don't already have appointments, so we'll go out. But that's very free. Ask her. She didn't listen now. She was here. From where Ivie did to where me did is 45 minutes for train. Castle. Nadi. From Castle to Hanover. Check the distance. From Castle, K-A-S-S-E-L, Castle to Hanover. You understand? She did her birthday, she invited me. I don't go. Where me any half person. If especially when you're a presenter, I don't go.
Eh, Umenwan, you don't fuck up, my dear. You don't fuck up. Mo just forget all those stories. Nah. Your gbola don't dey Ivie hand. Ivie no dey talk now. Say he even invite you for party. He say she dey play along the line. You now say you dey play along. Both of una be dey like una sef. Mo una dey admit to the tori when dey grand. Mo una dey admit say we be dey like ourselves. If Princess Ivie you agree say you be dey like Frank, and Frank may you still agree say you be dey like this woman. Before Gbola come out for inside trouser. If likeness no dey, Gbola no fit come out for inside bossa now for video. Gbola come out for inside bossa. This one Kpekus come out for inside bossa. Or two of una wan come dey play us now say we just dey play along. Una no dey play along. Una be dey like una sef. Just that the thing no come ram as una want am maybe. Both of una be dey like una sef. I won't just hear that word. I don't know why some people no dey admit to wetin they don't do or to wetin they be dey reason for mind. If problem don dey ground, they'll come dey like say I just dey play along. Like Frank now say I dey play along. Princess Ivie you say she just know wetin she dey do. You know wetin you dey do. Your Kpekus, you carry Kpekus. You don show Umenwan your Kpekus. Ekia sef na normal thing na man. Kpekus we be women. That Kpekus e dey under our leg. E suppose to dey private. That Kpekus so e suppose to be private. Now you dey use Easy Ogbe the one una don mock. Now you dey use her as an example. Easy birthday and the other one when they lash for social media. That one a mistake. That one take happen. Easy birthday, oh fine. We know say na her work. She first tell una say na Kpekus I carry come. You not tell us say na Kpekus you carry come. Now you say you just dey play along. Frank say he dey play along. How una come say dey play along? You dey play along. Your gbola dey Princess Ivie hand. Princess Ivie say she dey play along. Her kpekus dey your phone. Una say una dey play along. Una be don dey like each other, just that the thing no come work out. $100 come cause quarrel. And na there two of una for fuck up. Na there Princess Ivie for still fuck up as a mother or Frank girlfriend. $100 no suppose make una dey talk anyhow for inside social media. This one say I dey play along, this one say I dey play along. Which along una dey play? Una be don dey like una sef. Make we hear word for una mouth. All of una wey dey Edo cyberspace na so lie. If problem don happen, you go dey see them. She was never my friend. This one go come out. She was never my friend. I never took her like a friend. This one go come out. I was just playing along with her. This one goes, I'm just playing along. Oh, Tori for the girls. Now we una want dey deceive. Not be we now. We dey use our HQ where not be we una want dey deceive at all, my people. Wetin una think about this video? Make una not fail to drop una comment of what una think about this video. Make we listen to Frank more before we go.
Now respect them. Especially when you are live video presenters. I do my thing cool. If you be ordinary person, you fit see me there. Since where I come this Italy, I know how many parties I don't go, how many birthdays I don't go for this Italy, this Roma where I always so. And if I enter the people, they respect me. See this who, I mean, you take me. When they take away in Europe, after many years of Ashiwewu, you understand? At the end, a bond, a bomber, you have fabrica, you have 8 hours work, you have meet up, you go to move bank.
You need to go on because this woman don dey disgrace you for there. You need to go on. Lolo, you better be careful. You better be careful for these people when be you know say some people they be ashamed anywhere when they reach. Now therefore they do vaga. Be careful for I know say you be one woman when they not fit they get her secret too. Be careful because the way when Princess Ivie they do for inside social media no good. You follow Monica, una fight. You follow Rita Yemiomo, una fight. You follow this one when you call your goddaughter, una fight. You and Susie, una fight. Wetin dey happen? See you and Frank now the fight dey grand when we dey since last year they settle. Now when we never fit settle. Abeg o Lolo, be very very careful. All these kind of people, not let them even near you because people when they cause problem for anywhere when they go, problem must happen. Now you won't come dance go meet Lolo. Hey, Lolo don't tell una say you no need friend though. Me una no dey fight for am again.
Am I the only man that you have loved? What happened to all the rest men that you have loved at the age of from 18 years? Till 51 years now. What happened to those men? But when we have friends in Italy, who rate me, if they help me, I respect all those men. I don't want to talk. Don't let me talk. Don't let me talk. Now, no get his ass. No play out you.
Play.
It's okay. I know I said who got him because when anyone says okay. The end of the day, I don't. In fact, I don't know what I want to talk about. See, now I got comfortable this morning, I don't me. I don't mind not feeling all because of your mother. For what, now?
Person when you say you not love, you can't dey sick because of that person matter, and still yet you dey claim to tell us say you not love her. My people, make una pick word for inside all this audio. Sometimes make we not just go listen to video, make we dey pick word where they come out for their mouths. You say you not love her, you just dey play along. Now you dey sick because of this person matter. Regardez.
See what you want come. You see the message you go reply for what? Yeah? I'm on one. One man, a marriage. Marriage before, you don't know what I was. Very ships.
Yes, no. After she said this,
Mommy,
then I have to reply her. Listen, now I'll just play the consensus. I don't answer them. They're not one
I'm
things
coming.
step by step.
I'm coming. Go.
Ivie, Koyo.
Shh.
You need to
Una dey see. Una dey listen to Frank sexy voice.
but there's a change. The change is that you're not concerning you, you're not concerning you. You don't want to have anything to do with you again.
Okay.
You understand?
Shh.
I want anything change. You don't want to be made the direction. Exactly. You understand me, you know? I will not be always fond of one thing. You're always fond of one particular thing. You don't want to, I don't have anything to do with that person. And you will never make a mistake in life, you know? When you make mistakes, you change from your mistakes. That makes you a normal human being. But not continue making mistakes all the time. It's like this world is used to you. If no one doesn't have privacy, if the only thing is already like what I want to finish this way. Seriously, you don't want to, then I get my own privacy. That's enough. If I come in the court, I'll be talking about anyhow, indoor. I don't do that.
Imagine. Presenters, those cyberspace presenters. Una dey hear am? You and your so-called boyfriend dey on call, dey talk. Una dey play love, una dey gist. You can't add another person make dey lis ten. I feel say something dey behind this una friendship between you and Frank. The way Frank take fight for you, take fight this Dominion and him husband, I can't say wetin dey happen. Wetin make Frank dey fight for this woman like this? No knowing say two of them dey fall in love. Hey, God, nothing wey we no go see, oh God. Okay, because Frank now come tell you say it's over between me and you. I don tire. You no fit change. How you go take call with me? You go add another person join us, and you say we be lovers. How we come take be lovers? When two of una no use, you no use clean mind take follow your boyfriend. Hey, now wow, God, nothing wey we no go hear.
What is supposed to be? So as I was saying, I'm seeing on social media, there'll be a warehouse. Everybody get me likes.
Like a vate.
It's true. We carry our bully every year. Or here in society, maybe. One record, one record. Only you now. That's why you gossip this one, you record this one, you record this one. You follow all these kind of evil things on media. Obasuyi. I don't value things.
We are not dey do again. We be dey play love for social media. Facebook and WhatsApp. I know they do again a problem. Frank, you sef you no dey look ground before you put your leg. This life wey person dey, you need to dey look ground before you chook your leg put. Because so many women for this social media, they dey find man as you be now, you be big fish for them. Men they take grow well, make people say know them well. So many of them, they never know them. So many of them, they find your gbola, make they take do pay show. So many of them, they find your gbola, make they show for social media so that their page go bro. Make you say still they use your HQ. My people, I go stop from here. We go start tomorrow. My amazing people, please don't forget to like and share this video. If you are watching from Facebook, help me to like and share. If you are watching from YouTube, subscribe and like the video. Also share to your loved ones to support my channel. God bless you all. Stay blessed and see you all on our next video.